What's up, I'm Rudy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create event form with RTM Form Builder. But first of all, you need to install RTM kit first in your plugin and RTM Form Builder. After that, you create page and edit with Elementor, and you can go to Flexbox, and after that you can add element and drag and drop RTM form, and after that you can just edit form and create name in here if event and thank you message entry and confirmation check event, and you put your email in here, and you just need to copy paste after this. Copy paste in here and thank you as well. And after that, notification, you check, you put email subject event, you copy paste your email again and your email again, and after that admin node, and you save and edit, and you will go to another screen with Elementor that they will show you a widget for RTM Form Builder. You just need to wait for loading, and later on you can use template from runtime in RTM form about event form. So you just need to one click and already install it here widget that I'm telling you that you can use. You can edit whatever you want. Here is runtime and wireframe, and scroll down and select form and scroll down, and there is event form import, and here's the import the event form that I already imported. You can edit it and change it with your desire. Comment here and submit also done, and after that you save and close. Here's the event form. You can also edit later on if you want something else that you want from that one. Edit content. I will show you in that Elementor page again to edit it, the content. If you want to drag and drop another section, you can use it, the RTM Form Builder widget. You just need to wait for the loading. And later on, you need to install it RTM kit first, and you will get RTM Form Builder. Here's if you want to edit it. You can change the label name. You can change the label name, and you can add another one if you want. So later on you go to RTM kit and RTM builder and form, here's the event that you already create, and the data that you already you can export it by CSV. Here's the number of the entries. Yeah, if you want to use RTM Form Builder, you need to install it to your plugin. Thank you.